So a quick video review of my HOGARLABS dehumidifier. I got it, as you see, rigged up with the hose, going right to a sink. This is in a basement area, and I got it set at 50. It's taking it down a little bit later, which is excellent. And the reason for this is to not run an air conditioner down here. And I gotta be honest, it's the heat of the summer. I'm in the south. It gets extremely hot, but if I take the humidity out of the air with the HOGARLABS dehumidifier, I find I do not need to run the AC down here. So it is a fantastic item. Been cranking since I bought it. Drains right into the sink, but it also has a very convenient bucket if I wanted to use that. But again, I'm lazy and prefer not to. Super easy controls and setup. Essentially, I pressed a button and off it went. And I liked it so much that I actually bought another one for upstairs. So we're gonna go set this one up, and I will have two dehumidifiers going. So highly recommended product.
I have it set to 30, but the compressor will not kick on. That's just the fan you hear running. I usually have it set at 50. I dropped it down to 30 to see if the compressor will kick on, but it doesn't.
Very quiet. Nice machine.